Hello, this is Frankie with LCC's Continuing Education Department, and today's tutorial is going to be how to resize columns and rows, both individually and as a group. So first, let's start with resizing a column. What you'll do is you'll go to between two columns, and when the icon changes into that symbol, then you can resize. So I can make this as big or as little as I want. That also works on rows. When you go down, once it changes into that icon, you can make the row as big or small as you want. All right, so let me go back. Uh-oh. Now, in order to do that to a group of rows or a group of columns, what you'll do is you'll go until your cursor turns into the down pointing arrow, click and drag it to the end of the group of cells that you want to create a size for. Again, you'll go back, and once this icon changes to this again, however big you make the A one, that's how big all of them are going to be. So now they're all the same size. I can make them as big or as small as I want. They're all the same size. That also works on rows. So let's try it. Turns into a arrow. You go down the sheet. Let's make it big. See, all of them are the same size. I'm going to reverse that. Now, interestingly enough, the way that you create the rows to automatically fit the information, what will happen is we want these rows to be big enough, but just big enough to fit the information that is in them, or whatever the largest piece of information in a cell is. Again, you'll select, you'll see how the arrow changed to the down pointing arrow. We'll drag it all the way across. Now this time what we'll do is we'll go, and when the icon changes to this symbol, double click. And now it's not the same size, it just fits whatever the biggest piece of information is in each of the cells. So since Chris Silver's the biggest one, it makes sure that it can fit so you can see all the information. If I wanted to do, make them all the same size, now we can't see all the information like acquisition, engage. You know there's something that comes after engage. But again, all you have to do is double click. Now, you can actually do this to an entire spreadsheet. If you wanted to do this to the entire spreadsheet, you would click here. And now everything is selected. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. See you next time.